Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you on how to fix a denied application in Capital One Spark Business. So I'll start with the first step, which is to open capitalone.com/application status and enter your details. From here, you will see a red application not approved box appears for Spark Cash Plus with a reference number. So you have to write that number down. The reconsideration team asked for it first. Next is read the decision details. So click on see decision details to see the exact reasons, which are too many recent accounts, existing Capital One card limits, or insufficient reported business revenue. So it also shows the bureau used and your score, which tells you what to fix. Next is reallocate your existing credit lines. So if the reason was existing Capital One limits, open the application, go to manage credit line, and move part of the limit off card you barely use. This frees exposure so underwriting can approve a new Spark line. It doesn't affect your credit score. Next is called the reconsideration line. So call the Capital One reconsideration at 1-800-625-7866. Give your reference number, explain your business revenue and time in business, and mention the credit that you are freed of. You can also ask them to re-review rather than submit a new application. Lastly is application approved. So reconsideration decisions usually come within 7 to 10 business days, and on approval, you will see a green "Congratulations, you've been approved" banner with your Spark Cash Plus limit, and the card ships in 7 to 10 business days. So that's pretty much it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!